transforming an open space cafe with ZipGuide The New Ultra. This open space cafe has a beautiful sky view, but heavy wind and rain splashes often ruined the floor and dining area. 2 sets of ZipGuide The New Ultra were installed. The space is now shielded from rain, wind, dust and insects. Sunlight is filtered, keeping the cafe bright while making the space much cooler. Guests also enjoy better privacy while still being able to see the outside view. Most importantly, the cafe owners are very satisfied and happy with our service, and their customers can now enjoy a much better dining experience. ZipGuide The New Ultra is engineered for Malaysia's harsh wind and rain, with a structure that is truly windproof, safe, durable, beautiful, and easy to use. Visit our showroom in Seri Kembangan and experience it yourself.